Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor View 20 and let me show you how to do fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password. Here click on fingerprint ID and now select fingerprint management at the top of the list. Now provide your PIN code if you have one, and if you don't you will have to create it. So let me enter, for example, from 1 to 6. And now click on unlock device to unlock your device with a fingerprint. As you can see, this sensor is located on the back cover, so keep tapping here till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor. Once it is done, you will be informed. As you can see, it is done. Tap on OK, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.